Hey guys, it's Thursday, March 16th. Finally getting around to editing and posting Tuesday's fishing trip. It was okay. I was out for about a half a day. It was cold and windy. I did go back in the canals away to get out of the wind, but man, it was cold. I think I had 6 fish, and I even posted a little segment of my catching a pickerel. I hate those things, but I went ahead and kept it in there. It's what happens. Anyway, didn't make it out today. We had pick up my granddaughter from kindergarten. We took her out to Culver's for lunch and made a day of that. And I came home and did some yard work. So I am going to try to go out tomorrow on Friday and see what happens. Hope to have something for you then. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, sorry I haven't been on for a while. It's been 2 weeks since I fished. Today's Tuesday, March 14th, 2023. Last time I fished was on my birthday, March 2nd. So had a lot going on. My son flew in from Seattle, surprised us. So we spent some time with him. I was supposed to fish an old farts tournament a week ago today, right here on Hernando, and we woke up with a sick dog. We had to go to the emergency vet and spend about $1,400. And then Thursday, I had to have medical procedure done Friday, so I was prepping for that Thursday. So a lot going on. I had a cold front come through last night. It was 49 degrees when I got up this morning. Or still 49 degrees. Water's 72.2, so it hadn't really cooled down much. I don't know what this is going to do with the fish. It's kind of windy. It's supposed to be out of the north, but it looks like it's out of the east about 10. So we'll see what's going on. I haven't even decided which way I'm going yet. But hope I have something for you. Never know. Talk to you later. Bye.